Hi, it's Kary from Sicard RV. Today I'm going to take you through the 2021 Jayco 267 VHS. So Jayco has added some features for 2021. One is being the electric tongue jacks. Another great feature is the new more ride steps. They're nice, they drop down, they're a lot more sturdy, fantastic. And if you like cooking outside, the 267 has added the outside kitchen. It's a wonderful fixture. It keeps the smells out of the inside of the trailer. We're now going to go through the inside of the unit. The Jayco 267 has a standard queen bed, which is a 60 by 74. New for 2021 is the solid door. Used to be a curtain, and LED lights above the bed and in the ceiling. The Jay Flight SLX now has the gas electric hot water, so you only have, it used to be just gas, it has now got electric as well. This trailer will accommodate 10 people for sleeping. This one has the tri-fold, it's got the dinette, and then you've got your double over double. These bunk beds will hold up to 600 pounds. It has everything you want in the kitchen. You've got your microwave, you've got your stovetop with an oven, and your drop-down sink. Thank you for viewing this video. If you want to book an appointment with us, please do so at sales@sicardrv.com.